In this video, we'll show you how to print a nozzle check pattern to check print quality. If you notice that colors are uneven or printing is faint, try the following print head cleaning steps. Print head cleaning unclogs the nozzles and improves uneven colors and faint printing. Print head cleaning is performed in two steps. First, printing the nozzle check pattern. Second, performing a cleaning depending on the condition of the pattern. Let's get started. Load one or more sheets of A4 or letter size plain paper. Align the paper guides with the edges of the paper. Don't slide the paper guides in too much or paper may misfeed. Slide in the cassette until you hear a click. The paper information registration screen will appear. Follow the instructions to complete the registration. Slide out the paper output support. Then open the output tray extension. Now, let's print the nozzle check pattern. Press the Setup button. Press the right arrow button repeatedly until Maintenance appears on the display. Then press the OK button. Select Nozzle Check, then press the OK button. The nozzle check pattern will be printed. Review the printed nozzle check pattern for incomplete patterns, white horizontal streaks, or faint printing. If the nozzle check pattern printed correctly, cleaning is not required. If the nozzle check pattern did not print correctly, cleaning is required. Here's how to perform a print head cleaning. Press the right arrow to select Cleaning, and then press the OK button. The print head cleaning will start. The process takes about 1 minute. Once the cleaning is finished, check for improvement. Print the nozzle check pattern again. Refer to the printed nozzle check pattern. If the nozzle check pattern printed clearly, cleaning is not required. If the nozzle check pattern did not print correctly, repeat the print head cleaning process. If the nozzle check pattern has not improved after 2 cleanings, perform a deep cleaning. Here's how to perform a deep cleaning. Press the right arrow repeatedly to select Deep Cleaning, then press the OK button. The deep cleaning will start. Cleaning takes about 1 minute. If the nozzle check pattern does not improve even after performing deep cleaning, replace with new fine cartridges. The print head cleaning operation is now complete. Check that the print result has improved. Thank you for watching.